Fishing with Bear 850. Just ordered a rod from our good people over here at Favorite Fishing. Now this is the second one. The first one the U.S. Postal Service kind of had a little fun with and broke. So we're going to see how this one came out. Well, they want to put a lot of plastic on these things. All right. Comes with a rod sock. I never use. Give it the sun. And we got a Favorite Absolute. It's a 7'3" moderate fast. Looks like that's my new chatterbait rod. We're gonna find out. We'll see how it feels in the water. Y'all have a good one now.